A program to implement the producer consumer problem. Um, Java application 8, the class it has contains three classes: the application 8.java, mythread.java, and pro.java. Application 8.java contains the um, main function. Um, Method.java extends it. This is a thread. This is a syntax to create a thread. It creates an object of type producer, and string n is declared, which is initialized to this string. And string arr function, string array is declared. Public my thread function is given, called, which is given the argument of type producer ob. This dot ob is equal to is declared, sorry, not called, it's declared, and this dot ob is equal to ob. Then split function is used to split the array based on the number of spaces in it. That is, if whenever each word is separated from the string. Then is a run function, and if this dot get name dot equals producer, that is get name, if the thread is producer, then uh, array is displayed, string s is displayed of the array, that is each word is displayed from using the object ob of type producer. Then if the thread is consumer, then each word is given to the consumer. This is the producer class, which declares a variable string. This synchronizes the two threads. Synchronized void port string e. This is a function and takes um, a string of type string named e, and then n is equal to e. That is, n declared here is given to e. That is their equalized. Sorry, the value of e is given to a, not equalized. Then the producer, the output displayed is producer puts, and the whatever value is there in n is displayed. That is, each word from the given string is displayed. The notify synchronizes. This notify function is used to synchronize both the functions. That is, notify function is used to wake up the uh, producer function in case it stops, if in case it sleeps. Then and display what it is doing. It's a try catch block. The try block contains wait function, calling the wait function. If there is any exception in wait function, it will be caught by this catch block exception p, which displays p exception. Synchronize void get, another function which displays the what word the consumer takes. Same function notify is used to prevent it from sleeping and displays what the function is currently doing. And another try catch block, which will check for exceptions. It's a main function, a Java application class, and ob1 object of type pro is declared, and then two threads of my thread are declared, t1 and t2, given the value given value ob1 here. So this will be changed, given. Then the name of first thread is set to producer, the name of second thread is set to consumer. Then we start both t1 and t2. Consumer text is string, is a string array. These specific words are taken. First, producer puts this. This is a string array. The specific words are taken. Producer puts this, and consumer takes this. Producer puts this, and consumer takes this, and so on and so forth. This is the output of the program.